What's up, guys? I'm Josh. Welcome to Class Spotlight. Today, we're going to be checking out Miss Marcus's class. So, let's just get on with it.
So, I enjoy the opportunity to, discuss complex topics and inspire curiosity about the natural world. In order to attempt to make chemistry fun, I give lots of opportunity for practice. And I know that doesn't necessarily sound fun, but we bring the math into it, and I don't know, I enjoy the math. So that makes it more fun for me. As well as laboratory experiments. We do at least one hands-on experiment for each unit that we cover. And so we get opportunity to see how it works in the real world. Favorite experiment, I would have to say, might be one of the ones we're doing here today that you get to see. It's flame testing of ionic salts. And so we are looking to identify the cation, and when we do that, it makes really pretty colors. So that's a really fun experiment. Students that find chemistry challenging, advice, I would say to study regularly. You have to plan, even if you think you don't really need it, plan a review time to consistently go back and look over material. And a bonus is to find a friend that's also stuck in chemistry with you. Studying is a little bit more fun with friends, all right? So form a study group.